Welcome to Rivers and Coffee. This morning we're on the banks of the lower Platte River, northwest Michigan, within the Sleeping Bear Sand Dunes. It's Labor Day weekend. I'm brewing up some coffee, gonna have that with a bite to eat. Then I'm gonna sit back, put my feet up, and watch the river explode with color and energy. It's a transitional time here on the lower Platte River. Grab yourself a cup of coffee, put your feet up, and join me as we watch summer come to a close on the lower Platte River. That thing better start perking pretty soon, because as you can tell, I really need that cup of coffee this morning. Oh yeah. Cheers. Oh, that's a great cup of coffee. Ooh, it's nice and hot. Okay, for breakfast this morning, I brought myself a little bit of bacon, a muffin, 1 egg, and a little bit of mozzarella cheese that I found in the back of the refrigerator that I think is still safe to eat. I'm going to put that together and have ourselves a little bit of breakfast to go along with this great cup of coffee. Uh-oh. All right, that's looking pretty doggone good. Okay, I think we're just about ready. Okay, I think we're ready. Oh yeah. Let's give it a try. That looks great. Boy, that's excellent. was a lot of fun. What a great way to end summer. The coffee was perfect. The breakfast was excellent as well. Remember, get outside, take a little time for yourself, find a little peace. For me, it's Rivers and Coffee. For you, it might be something totally different. It's a beautiful day out here. A lot of color and energy on the river. About every craft that you could think of comes floating down. Great way to end the summer. Remember, get outside, take a little time for yourself, find a little peace. Until next time, Rivers and Coffee, stay in peace. Oh, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and let's go find a little peace together. Remember, please pick up after yourself. And if you can, take a little extra trash out with you. Find your peace? All right. Good girl.